Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cotton swabs is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any household, often underestimated for its wide range of applications beyond simple hygiene, from intricate crafting projects and detailed makeup application to delicate cleaning tasks and even minor first aid needs, making it a surprisingly essential item for everyday life and specialized uses alike. Number 5. 6-inch precision gun cleaning swabs with storage case. Introducing our 6-inch precision cleaning swabs, designed for detailed work. They are perfect for maintaining your firearms with their lint-free design. Crafted with lint-free tips and a bamboo handle, these swabs ensure a clean finish without leaving residue. They are gentle yet effective for delicate tasks. While ideal for gun cleaning, their precision makes them suitable for other detailed applications. Use them for intricate tasks in makeup or electronics maintenance. Each set comes with a handy storage case to keep your swabs organized and protected. Take them wherever you need them for on-the-go cleaning. The long cotton swabs provide extended reach for those hard-to-access areas. Achieve a thorough clean every time with these essential tools. What we like? These swabs offer an extended reach, perfect for detailed tasks. Their precision tip ensures accuracy, while the lint-free material prevents unwanted residue. If you're looking for a tool for intricate cleaning or application, especially in areas like gun maintenance or electronics, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The pointed tip is great for precise application. These cotton swabs are very absorbent and hold their shape well. The cotton is soft and doesn't fray easily, making them ideal for detailed work. Number 4. Clean Skin Club Clean Swabs. Introducing Clean Skin Club's premium cotton swabs. Designed for a gentle yet effective cleaning experience, they are perfect for your daily needs. Crafted with care, these swabs feature biodegradable and organic cotton tips on bamboo sticks. We prioritize sustainability in every aspect of their design. Achieve flawless makeup and nail polish application with these precision swabs. They are ideal for detailed touch-ups and corrections. Experience comfort with our hypoallergenic and chlorine-free swabs. They are gentle on sensitive skin, ensuring a safe and pleasant use. This pack provides a generous 500 count of swabs, ensuring you have plenty for all your beauty and personal care routines. Enjoy long-lasting convenience. What we like? These swabs are crafted with sustainability and gentleness in mind. The organic cotton and bamboo construction is biodegradable, and the hypoallergenic nature makes them ideal for sensitive skin. If you prioritize eco-friendly products and need a gentle option for makeup touch-ups or nail polish corrections, these are the ones to consider. What people say. The pointed tip is great for precise application. They are sturdy and don't fray easily. The cotton is soft and absorbent. Number 3. 800 pieces double precision cotton swabs. Experience the softness and absorbency of our high-quality organic cotton swabs. They are crafted with a gentle sterilization process for your peace of mind. Our swabs feature handles made from recycled paper, reducing waste and energy consumption. They are perfect for both personal care and cosmetic needs. The compacted cotton tips ensure less lint compared to regular swabs, providing a cleaner application. Their double-pointed design allows for precise use. This package includes 4 packs with a total of 800 swabs. The sturdy paper handles offer moderate hardness and excellent toughness for reliable use. Their small size and precision tips make them perfect for cleaning dust from tight spaces like keyboards or phone ports. They reach where other tools can't. These double-sided swabs are incredibly versatile. Use them for beauty routines, pet care, baby care, arts and crafts, household cleaning, and even caring for collectibles. What we like? With double-ended precision tips and a focus on sustainability, these swabs are designed for detailed work. The recycled paper stick offers moderate hardness and toughness, making them suitable for a variety of tasks. If you need a high quantity of swabs for electronics cleaning, arts and crafts, or general household use, these offer great value and precision. What people say. The pointed tip is perfect for precise application of makeup, like cleaning up eyeliner or lipstick. These cotton swabs are great for detailed nail art, allowing for clean lines and corrections. The cotton is tightly wound, so it doesn't fray or leave fibers behind, which is essential for delicate tasks. Number 2. 1000 PCS Pointed Cotton Swabs Wooden Handle. Discover the perfect tool for detailed tasks. These swabs offer a gentle touch for your skin and delicate surfaces. Crafted with a sturdy wooden handle, they provide excellent control and durability. You can rely on them for precise application and cleaning. Effortlessly remove excess makeup or apply products with precision. They are also perfect for crafts, jewelry, and detailed cleaning. Featuring compacted tips with minimal lint, these applicators ensure a clean and effective experience. They reach even the smallest areas with ease. With a convenient length, these swabs are designed for a multitude of uses. They are a versatile addition to your beauty kit and crafting supplies. Made with soft cotton tips, they are gentle enough for sensitive skin. Enjoy a comfortable and safe application every time. What we like. These swabs feature a strong wooden handle that resists bending, allowing for better scrubbing in hard-to-reach places. The compacted cotton tips minimize lint, making them effective for both cleaning and smearing. If you're involved in detailed cosmetic work, model making, or applying small amounts of glue or lubricant, their sturdy construction and precision tip are highly beneficial. What people say. The pointed tip is perfect for precise application of makeup, like cleaning up eyeliner or lipstick. These cotton swabs are great for detailed work, such as applying glitter or small nail art designs. The cotton is tightly wound, so it doesn't leave fibers behind when used for cleaning small crevices. Number 1. Microblading Cotton Swab, 500 PCS. Experience unparalleled precision with our specially designed pointed tip swabs. They allow for exact application and reaching small areas, making delicate work easier than ever. Crafted from good quality material, these swabs are smooth and barb-free, ensuring they won't irritate your soft skin. Their compact size is perfect for cleaning narrow gaps and hard-to-reach places. Never search for a swab again. These are conveniently packaged separately into 12 packs, so you can keep them wherever you need them most. Beyond cosmetics, these versatile swabs are perfect for cleaning electronics, car interiors, shoes, and even touching up walls. Their uses are nearly limitless. A must-have for your makeup bag. They are ideal for correcting eyeliner, cleaning up mascara, precise lipstick application, and fixing nail polish mistakes. What we like. These micro swabs are engineered for extreme precision with their thin, pointed tips. The individual packaging ensures hygiene and convenience, making them easy to distribute. If you need a tool for very fine detail work, such as correcting eyeliner, cleaning narrow electronic gaps, or applying precise amounts of product in microblading or tattoo artistry, these are specifically designed for that purpose. What people say. The pointed tip is great for detailed work. These cotton swabs are very absorbent and hold their shape well. The cotton doesn't fray easily, which is a big plus for precision tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.